Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will show how to change the position of legend. As part of this process, first I created a column chart. Here we can find this is the data which I used to create the chart. The movement when I click on this chart, here we can find two tabs enabled by the application. First one is design and second one is format. Click on design. Under the chart layouts group, here we can find add chart element. Under this we can find legend. First I am selecting the right option. Here we can find application placed the legend at the right side of the chart. The moment when I select the top option, here application placed the legend at the top of the chart. Now it is moved to left, it is moved to bottom. Here we can find some advanced features. Click on more legend options. Here we can find some formatting options of the legend. Let us try it. Now I am clicking on top. So by using this feature also we can change the position of the legend. If you want to apply some formatting options to fill the legend, click on solid fill. User can select the color. Now I filled with red color. Right now green color. Here we can increase or decrease the transparency. So in this way we can use the formatting options of the legend. Hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.